Good morning. And by morning, I mean 1:15, November the 6th. No, beg your pardon, November the 5th, 2019 here in Herman, Tennessee. Just a quick thank you to all those who have followed me over to YouTube, either as a contact, a member of my group, or a member of my page, as that has allowed the testing of MeWe as a replacement for Google Plus when it goes away, or when the consumer side goes away. Let's be clear about that. If you're over on MeWe, you have noticed that I've been doing postings, testings, and everything, and I am now satisfied that it can serve as a replacement for my user-to-user live community on G+. It can also serve as a place to house my collections on a page. Now, granted, the pages will cost $3 a month when it comes out of beta. Can bear that cost easily because in 2 months I'm giving up one of my paid Zoom accounts on one of my lesser accounts that I have. So I'll only have one Zoom paid account. So in effect, I'll be saving $12 a month. But again, just a thank you to everybody that's come over and allowed this to be tested and everything. I probably won't be doing as much posting over there except to administer the pages, approve people that want to join the page or want to join the community or want to be a contact of mine, that type of thing. The page I'm using to house the collections right now, I've only housed 2 entries from the user-to-user vault. It went extremely well. I see nothing that will interfere with that in the future. As you know, if you're following me at all, they are talking about having, quote, public pages later in the year, sometime in December, hopefully. But I'm confident that if nothing else happens on the G+ side, if Google doesn't allow some sort of replacement for the consumer G+, or the rehousing of communities or collections, MeWe can serve that purpose going forward as far as saving the collections and community entries and everything that are on G+ now. We'll have to wait and see. We do know that takeout does not work in a great many cases for that. Of course, there is one person I know who, even though they posted quite a bit to G+, both photographs and, postings and comments and everything, they always compose that in a notepad or a Word document. So they have got the originals. They would compose there and then copy paste it into the comment or the post on the G+. That is one way of doing it, and I had anybody really stopped and thought about it, that would probably be the best way to preserve at least your content. I just don't see how they're going to be able to download and grab all the comments that other people have made to your post. I know it's probably technically possible. The point is, do they really want to expend all those resources? And from a business standpoint, I would consider it doubtful. I'm not saying they won't do it. I just have adopted a wait-and-see attitude. Anyway, once again, this is just a quick thank you to all those who have followed me over. If anyone else wants to come over, you know where the links are in the present user-to-user community. They're right up at the top in the pinned post. So if you haven't come over yet, think about doing so before August of 2019. Thanks for watching.